Hello everyone, you already know that we can have this rating bar using this component. So how we can reduce it is star size. You can see it is very large compared to the screen. In order to do that, we can say Android colon scale x equals to double quotations and then some value here. I will come up to that later and will explain you what is this. So I will say Android colon scale y is equals to 0.75. Okay, in this example Android colon scale x and Android colon scale y properties are set to 0.75, which scales the rating bar down to 75% of its original size. You can adjust these values and make the rating bar smaller or larger as needed. So for example, we can say 0.50. You can see it is small now. I guess 0.75 is good here. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.